Hey, how you doing? John Scatto, RPM Dent Repair. We had this 2016 5 Series come into the shop. This was a unique situation. This was referred to us from one of our body shops. A tree branch came down on this hood here, and this was an insurance claim. As you can see here, really sharp dent right through that body line. Being aluminum, the body shop wasn't comfortable repairing this, so they would have opted to replace this hood, and with the guidelines with the year and the mileage, they would have paid for an aftermarket hood. So this is a candidate for paintless dent repair, which will always be your best repair if possible. Pricing, the way pricing works for paintless dent repair, it's based off the size factors in R&I. When we say R&I, that's remove and install. We actually have to take the liner from the back side of the hood and the hood off the vehicle. And the reason being for that is we're able to work that damage 360 degrees. So this was a 4-inch crease, aluminum on a body line, which are the factors, and then remove and install. As you can see here, the hood off the car with another shot of that damage, getting ready to repair that. And see here in this shot, I'm able to work it from the back side, then spin that around in 360 degrees. And this is the final product here. The customer was just super happy. Again, paintless dent repair, you're maintaining that factory OEM finish that you can never duplicate. And in this case, you're maintaining that factory OEM part. If you have any damage you'd like us to take a look at, you can text photos to 508-641-6892, or you could send a 20-second video clip. Best way, step 3 feet back, and we can do any zooming in that we need to take a look at it. Or you can visit our website at rpmdentrepair.com, and you can upload some photos there also. I hope everyone's staying safe and healthy out there through these tough times. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.